Does it look like I hit rock bottom? Because I have. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm eating a banana. Very, very good. Today, I'm really excited because we're gonna be doing an at-home post-quarantine glow up because everything is starting to open up. But I personally still don't feel comfortable just like going out just yet.
Hi guys, okay, so this is a horrible freeze frame, but this video was filmed a while ago, so sorry if some of the things I say are a little bit outdated. I still wanted to post this video because I showed you guys a lot of affordable at-home ways to glow up, and I still really like this video. But basically in this next clip I was talking about how I didn't feel comfortable going out just yet because right after quarantine everyone was probably like rushing out all at once to go out, and that's why I chose to do an at-home quarantine glow up.
I was so excited to go to my pool. All of them were closed, even the hot tub and the gym. It finally opened up again, and the other night Diego and I were about to go, but the water was murky, and they took out the water and fully cleaned the pool while like everyone was in quarantine. So that's disgusting. We're probably gonna hold off on that. Oh my god, do you guys see my hair? First of all, have to fix my nails. I'm not that good at doing my nails myself, but I thought it would be fun entertainment if I tried to, because we all know what happened the last time. Yeah, hopefully third time's a charm and I can actually pull through and do it this time. I've been watching a lot of tutorials, so let's get started. Hello. Okay, I'm on my floor. I'm gonna do my hair first because I'm really excited. I've been dying to try this. So I bought this little hair crimper off of Amazon, and I think this was only like 30 bucks. Basically, this pretty much just crimps your hair, and this is the box. Everything that I talk about, I'll link down below. YouTuber things. But yeah, it's from the brand Allure. Hopefully this works because it was really cheap. Oh my god, why did that scare me? Hello.
Hello.
What's up? Nothing that I can do. Let's plug her in. Oh, this is in Celsius. Why would they do that? Hey Siri, Celsius converter. Okay, I'm gonna put it at 150, which is about 300 something degrees Fahrenheit. This heated up really fast. What? This is crazy. Guys, my hair is finally growing. Like, this is it blow dried, and it's about like right above my boobies. So, very, very happy about that. Whoever let me cut my hair this short, we have issues. The entire growth period of it going from short to like medium length, it was at an awkward length. So my hair was just weird for a good minute. I love it. I will never cut my hair short again. I love this. I love this. Okay, I'm going to section my hair. Okay, I'm gonna take some heat protectant spray. This is the Pantene Heat Primer. I don't know, this is just the one I've been using for years. Oh my god, this is scary with this wide ass barrel like right by my face. How long do I leave it? That's what I don't know. This doesn't have instructions. Oh my god, wait, that's scary. I don't want to leave it for too long. Oh my god. That looks so cute already. Oh my god. This is so cute. I haven't had crimped hair in so long. My little ramen noodle. This thing works, baby. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm planning on buying a car very, very soon. Also, okay, no talking while I'm by my ear. Maya and Misty are gonna fly down in like a month, so get excited for that. We're gonna probably pump out a lot of content. Also, I miss my sisters. And also, I've been looking at some new cars. I'm very, very excited because if you guys don't know, which you guys probably don't because I don't ever talk about it. Right now, I'm driving my auntie and uncle's old car. They gave it to us for free, which is super nice of them. They did not have to do that like whatsoever. But I have an old 2003 Mercedes SUV. The outside of it, I actually really like the look of it, but it has no AC. And I live in a motherfucking desert, so. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. Oh my god, I have so much hair. Time for a food break. I'm gonna make avocado toast. Alright, I'm done. This is what it looks like. So cute! Hello! Welcome to my bathroom. My hair looks so freaking cute. Now it's time for me to do my eyebrow perm. I'm kind of nervous. I've never tried like perming products ever before. Yeah, like I said, I bought this off of Amazon. It just says eyelash perming kit. It's by the brand Pink Z. I haven't watched any tutorials on this, so this product is designed for trained professionals only. Should not be applied to oneself. Hello. I just watched 3 different videos and I moved my camera because better lighting by the window, and I'm ready. Okay, here are my brows before. First, I'm gonna take the cleansing water, which is number 4, and I brought over my little cotton pad holder. We'll take some of those and clean my brows. My nails are so ugly. Okay, my brows are clean. Now I'm gonna take number 5, which is the eyelash glue. This hurts. All right, I'm done with my eyebrows. They're looking hella thick. This eyebrow looks extremely crazy. Okay, now I need to add the perming solution and then saran wrap. Then we'll leave this baby on for 10 minutes. Ew. That shit stinks. Ah. Ready? Cute. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Let's peel this. Ugh, smells horrible. Okay, now I need to apply the setting lotion, which is number 2, and then same thing at 10 minutes with saran wrap. Look it.
I don't get it. They look really big.
I'm perming it like that, so it's gonna be like that for a long time.
Curl it's gonna be like that?
Yeah, exactly like this. Why, do you have a problem with it? It's time. Okay, now I need to put on the moisture lotion. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe this off. Moment of truth. Oh my god, that looks so good. I just have to trim it and then it would be perfect. Oh my fucking god, I did not just do that right now. It was going so well. This eyebrow is luscious and beautiful. And then there's this.
If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you.
Wow, what a good decision by me. And that was so easy. And that was like $12. Period. Hello, welcome to Marina's Ratchet Nail Salon. This part looks okay, but angle number 2, that looks so bad, but whatever. And now I'm gonna be doing my nails. Here are my befores. Literally so gross. Also, I was trying to like cut back my cuticle and I cut myself and I'm bleeding. When I first did them, I used the polygel dual forms. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I sucked at that. I did not know how to make the nail even. Picked up these Kiss long curve overlap tips, so hopefully this works way better. And then I also got some better glue, and then I also have my little tools right here. So I have the base coat, the top coat, and my gel polish, which I all bought from Amazon, nail file, polygel brush tip and spatula, and a brand new little polygel kit, and also my UV lamp. This is not gonna be pretty or aesthetic, sorry about it. Let's get started. Okay, first I need to take these nails off, and I'm gonna do that by literally peeling them off. One off. Ew, this is so gross. Sorry, angle number 2. Okay, hands are free and they're looking like they need some help. Now I'm gonna file down the actual nails. And this is a 100 nail filer. Do you care? I don't know what I'm doing, so like you probably shouldn't follow this. I'm about to make a mess out of my hands, aren't I? Like look at my cuticle. Do you see that? Like, I don't even know how I did that. I was just pushing it back and that happened. Nails techs. Does this make you cringe? Probably. Probably very hard. Okay, here are my dusty nails. I don't even want you guys to see it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Kiss tips and I'm gonna size them to my fingers and glue them on. This is so cute and like professional. Okay, I got my left hand done. I'm gonna cut them shorter so that I can cut it with my opposite hand. All right, guys, I finally finished filing and that took 30 fucking minutes. I wanna give up. And they still are literally, these nails are going in opposite directions, but whatever. Should have just left it at that square shape, but this is what it's looking like so far up close. And now it's time for me to move on to the poly gel. Basically, you need rubbing alcohol. I don't have like a cute little container, so I'm just gonna use this. And my little poly gel kit came with this thing. One side has a brush and then the other side is a little spatula to scoop out the product. You're gonna take a big bead like this and pretty much push it down and just shape it onto your nail, kind of like acrylic, but this is way easier to work with because it doesn't dry until you put it in the LED lamp. Oh my god, I want to give up. What is up, guys? So it is the next day. I got really tired last night. These nails exhausted me. I cannot believe I took that long just for them to look like this. So I have a couple more things that I need to do. Number one, I need to wipe my teeth, and then also I wanted to go sit out by my pool and tan. Hopefully it's not that busy. This smells like summer.
Closer to the things we love. It's not a long way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the long game.
Hi, I'm back. Okay, so I managed to get a little bit of a tan. My face still looks lighter than my freaking body, but whatever. Ugh, I love getting a tan. That was so much fun. That reminded me of summer. Okay, now I'm gonna whiten my teeth while I do the rest of my makeup so that I can finish this glow up.
Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter.
Hi guys. Okay, so makeup is done. I look kind of crazy because I have no lashes on. Like, I look naked. Also, I'm not used to my thick brows yet, so like, excuse those. To complete this look, I'm gonna be using one of my Glamnetic lashes today. I'm in between the Live-In lash, which is the super natural one, or this one. I kind of like how it flares out at the end. I just applied my eyeliner how I normally would, and now I'm gonna take the Magnetic Lash Liner and put it on top of it. This is where the magic happens. I have my lash on tweezers and literally I'm just gonna...
Baby, I'm just happy to be with you.
It's that easy. So here is the one lash applied. It looks so freaking good. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this. If you guys want to see some final IG pics that I took, you guys can follow me on Instagram at @ASAPMarina. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye!